get 5 incomes in one funnel with a lot of other features. Let me show you that now. First of all, if you go here, you'll see the links. They call them links, but they're actually capture pages. You need the link to get to each capture page, and there's lots of them. So you can use one or more, as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. Then you go back into the system again, and you see the training, all the training you get with this system. First of all, you get your weekly training calls. Then you get your marketing system training. Now, this is really a big benefit. I mean, it teaches you to be a better marketer. And you don't have to do these all at once. You can do one or two, whatever you got time for, and then come back and do another one. Eventually, you get them all done. Then you go back into the system again, and you see this training you should do before you start working the system, because it shows you how to do everything in here. First of all, lesson 1, it says work on you. That means work on your personality. Lesson 2 shows you where and how to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. Lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTube ads. Lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And lesson 6 shows you how to block some time for this. You don't need much time, but you do need some. It will not work all by itself. And then if you go back in there, there's a few more small bonuses in there. You can see them once you're in there. Then you go back into the system again. And there, if you see, you can check who's all on your team. And once you click on leads here, you get once you start advertising and you click on leads, you'll see all the leads you get, and you'll get an email and a phone number with each email, with each lead, I should say, pardon me. And so you can follow up, and you have all the information right there. Then you can see who's on the leaderboard, and then you go to resources. Here's some sample emails you can do to do your advertising or your follow-up. You can use these or you can use your own. It's entirely up to you. Then you go in there and you check. You can see all your businesses that you have, and then you also have a bonus income. I'll show you that later if I don't forget. Then you go back into resources again, and it shows you all the banners you can use to do your advertising that are all included in here. So there's lots of them. Depending where you advertise, you can choose which one you want to use. It's entirely up to you. Then you go back in there and it shows you your social image advertising you can use. So there's a lot of great benefits in here to help you with your advertising and marketing. And there you go, and there shows you how to do Facebook posts. And then I think I pretty well showed you everything. So let's say you like all that stuff and you'd like to get started. You go to here, click on Start here. Then you'll see. I'll put a link under the video so you can watch Matt do this video. He'll do a 21-minute video. He'll explain everything to you, and I'll also put my contact information under there so you can, if you want to get more questions answered. And now, okay, now you probably want to know about the prices. Well, first of all, if you go to this one here, right now they have a special on. It's usually $97. Right now it's $49. And they also have a yearly plan available if you'd like to do that. And it's another $200, but then if you get somebody in under that, you make a $200 commission, and you don't have to worry about payments for a whole year. So that's the route I took. Then you go back into the system again, and you see you got step 1 and step 4 is in the system. Step 2 and step 3, you can put your own websites in here if you have any. And if you don't have any, take a look at the ones I got. They're both great opportunities, and they're each under $10. So that's another choice you have. And then also, I'll tell you about my bonus now before I forget. And I also have a bonus in there. Right now, you can get for $1 a day, get 100 leads. And And with those, you can mail them every day with that system. And if you get somebody in under that, you get another 100 leads and you make a small commission. So that is a great opportunity. So be sure to take a look at that when you're in there for that kind of money. Well, let's see, what else what I got to tell you. Yeah, I already told you I'm going to put a link under the video so you can call me for more information. And I don't know, I think that's about all I'm going to tell you today. So we'll talk to you next week. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.